In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive chats in ChatGPT 2026 guide. Before we jump in, it helps to understand the difference between archiving and deleting. Archiving simply hides a conversation from the left sidebar so your workspace stays clean, but the chat remains fully searchable and you can bring it back anytime. Deleting, on the other hand, removes the conversation from your interface and search, and schedules the content for permanent, unrecoverable deletion on the server within about a month. If there's any chance you'll need that conversation later, choose Archive, not Delete. Let's start on desktop. From your main ChatGPT dashboard, look to the bottom left corner. Click your profile or initials, then choose the Settings gear. Inside the Settings window, open Data Controls from the left menu. Find the row labeled Archived Chats and click Manage. You'll see a chronological list of your archived threads. Locate the one you want, then click the Unarchive icon, usually shown as a tray or an arrow pointing up. The moment you do, that conversation pops right back into your active left sidebar. There's no need to refresh, just close the window and you're back to work. If you're on mobile, the flow is similar. Open the app and tap the main menu icon in the top left corner to reveal your user panel. At the bottom, tap the profile or settings icon. Choose Data Controls, then scroll to Archived Chats and tap Manage. Find the conversation you want to restore and tap the Unarchive icon. The thread will immediately sync back into your primary timeline, ready to pick up where you left off. Now, here's a faster way if you don't want to dig through settings. Use the sidebar search. Click the magnifying glass at the top of your history sidebar and type distinctive words, a file name, or even a unique variable you remember using in that chat. Search spans both live and archived conversations. So when your result appears, click it. The full thread opens right away on your main screen and you can continue the discussion instantly. Finally, your archive and unarchive changes are tied to your account, not just a single device. That means restoring a chat on desktop